Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer, and in this video we are gonna learn how to change your display name on Duolingo application using your smartphone or tablet. So first things first, launch open your Duolingo app on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in the home page of Duolingo, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. Now, click on Profile from the menu at the bottom. Inside your profile page, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear button. After you open the settings option, click on Profile. Underneath your profile section, go to the first name option and write down a new name you want to change to. Go to the last name section and type in your last name as well. And once you are done, you can head back to the home page. Now you've successfully changed your display name on Duolingo. You can refresh the application or restart it so that the change takes effect. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.